Good morning. This video is for Dale Berger, Vice President of Original Sound Records. Sir, song number 2. Where is the feeling? I wrote the lyrics. Ed wrote the music. Song number 3. Donna Summer Songs. I met Sony Leah in Sydney, Australia. I recorded that in Balmain, Australia, near Sydney, over the bridge. That's song number 3 on the Selena Siempre CD. Song number 4. Is It the Beat? I wrote the words. Ed wrote the music when I got back from South Padre Island, 1991. Song number 5. Only Love. I wrote the lyrics. Ed wrote the music, 1990. Song number 7. A remake. Dreamin'. Vanessa Williams had done it before. I did it directly after Talk to Me in 1990-91. Song number 9. Ed, you need to get together with me on all this. I'm not going to take any more bad-mouthing from Como La Flor 34 online. Someone better pay me. Sony had me on a hit list. I'm now taking myself off witness protection. Welcome to my channel. I'm not going to hide from anybody anymore. I wrote those words. You don't have a right to have my words or any record label having them. I'm not hiding anymore. Pay up, gentlemen. Showtime.